In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize any YouTube video instantly using AI. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to turn a long video into a concise summary you can read in minutes using nothing more than YouTube's built-in transcript and an AI assistant. First, open YouTube and go to the video you want to summarize. Let the page load fully so all the options appear under the video. We're going to use the text version of what's spoken in the video, which YouTube provides directly on many videos. Next, click the More option under the video. This is the small menu with additional actions. In that menu, scroll until you find Show Transcript and click it. A transcript panel will open, usually on the right-hand side of the screen, displaying the video's spoken words line by line, often with timestamps. This is the key ingredient for an accurate summary because it captures the exact wording from the video. Now, copy the entire transcript. You can start at the top, drag your cursor down to the bottom, and copy everything in one go. It's okay if you also copy timestamps or section headers. Most AI tools can handle them without any issues. If the transcript has multiple sections, just make sure you've highlighted all of it so the summary doesn't miss any important points. Once you've finished copying, go to Claude in your browser. Open a new chat, click into the message box and paste the full transcript. Directly under the pasted text, type a simple instruction like, "Summarize this YouTube video." Keeping the instructions short and clear helps the AI focus on the main ideas rather than getting lost in extra directions. When you're ready, press enter. Now wait patiently while the AI processes the text. For shorter videos, this usually takes just a moment. For longer transcripts, it may take a little longer as the system analyzes the content and organizes it into a readable summary. When it's done, you'll see a structured overview of the video's key points, often highlighting the main arguments, steps, or takeaways, without you having to watch the entire thing. That's it. You opened the video, revealed the transcript, copied it, pasted it into Claude with a clear instruction, and waited for the result. This simple workflow gives you fast, accurate summaries you can skim before committing time to a full watch, revisit when you need a refresher, or share with teammates to keep everyone aligned. Repeat the same process for any video you want to understand quickly.